Hey, welcome back to Styrene Relics, everybody. I hope everybody got to watch that Lions game. I did. Yep, we're right back where we were. Well, I could keep talking about the Lions, but I'm not gonna. Some of you may not be Lions fans. I can't believe it, but some of you might not be. I wanna do a shout out, and I want to do a couple of them actually, and tell you what I'm going to be working on. So, first off, I got a text from Chris over at Chris's House of Plastic quite a while back, and I put him on the back burner and forgot about him. I didn't mean to do that, Chris. I apologize. But he's got a cool channel. He's just getting started. He's just up over 200 subs now, and I believe he's going to do a giveaway. He's going to give away a Mustang. So need to get over there and check out his last video. He's telling you how to sign up for that. It's good to get more people out, builders that have not built in a long time and want to try and get onto YouTube, because that's the way I was. I was just didn't know a thing about it. So now here I am, about a year into it, a little more than a year into it, and still having fun. Having fun the hard way, but I'm doing it. So let me show you what I got. I got Halfass Model Garage. Norm sent me this a while back. I sent him one of my shop cards, and he didn't have any. He just got around to getting some, so appreciate it. Cool shop card. Cool channel. Need to get over and check him out. He's got some neat stuff. And this is one of my favorites here, that Ford Starliner. I forget what they call them. But they're pretty cool. I've got one. I'll end up building here pretty soon. I don't know when, but I always like that car. So yeah, get over and check out Norm. He's got some cool stuff over there. I kind of got started back on my 57 Chevy, the Project X car, and I'm having a difficult time remembering where all my stuff is at and what I did, and so bear with me, guys. I'm going to get back on that one, and but it's just kind of sitting stagnant right now. I got it out and was playing with it a little bit, and didn't like the way I was going with it, so I quit that and thought maybe I'd work on the interior. And so I'm starting to get back at it and remembering where I had stuff and what I was doing with it. So, but anyways, in the meantime, Phil over at Horton's Hot Rod Shop, was after me a little while back about doing a buddy build, and I kept putting it off and putting it off, and I see he's been cranking out some really cool stuff that he got at I believe it was at an estate sale, and he got some really nice stuff, man. So anyways, I shot him a text today and asked him if he was still interested in doing that buddy build, and he said sure. And I said, well, when are we going to get started, and when's going to be the end date? And he said, you can start it right now and make it Christmas be the end date. And I said, well, I don't plan on dragging it out that long, but we'll get started on it. So anyways, our group build is going to be Mach 1. I'm going to do this both of these box stock. I may put wires on it. I don't know, but I'm really wanting to build this one pretty much box stock. I really like the look of this car, and so it'll be kind of fun. Problem is, you can't get this car to the racetrack unless you have a truck to pull it. So here we go. We're going to do Mach 1 and the Mach 1 hauler. So this ought to be interesting to both of us. It'll be kind of cool. Now, I should have checked this out before I started this video, but I believe the Autistic Modeler did one of these, and he put the whole side was blue, and then he put the decals up on the nose and the roof and that trunk lid, the stars with the red stripe. I'm thinking I'm going to do the same thing because it just looks so nice. And that's the I believe it's the Siemens decal. I can't remember. I'd have to open up the box and look, but yeah, that's the way I'm going to build this one. Pretty much the way he did his, because really love that look, man. It really looks good. So the only thing that I may deviate from, not crazy about this, where that dip is. I may end up, putting some plastic over that to eliminate that. I'm not sure just yet, but we'll come up with something. So anyways, short and sweet. That's all I got for right now. I feel good, guys. I actually went outside today and supervised mostly, but I did a little bit. Actually, I may have done a little too much, bending over and stuff. We were cleaning out some flower beds. I probably shouldn't have done as much as I did, but I feel good. I do. And the doc told me to, do what I can. Then when I start feeling punky, then, knock it off for a bit. So I think I'll take tomorrow off, and I got to go get some blood work done tomorrow maybe. So I do appreciate everybody's thoughts and prayers, and it means a lot to me. It keeps me going. I also want to say thanks to everybody that's sticking around. Boy, when you're gone for a while, your subs kind of go up and down, and I just got to the point where I just quit watching it. I don't care no more. I'm just here for the fun. So, guys, hang in there. I'll get some more stuff out. I have been kicking around the idea of starting back my old test and tune Saturday test and tune. Papa Rob, he's started his Fridays morning coffee and model cars and coffee again, which means a lot. I'm so glad that he's back. Love that guy. And so anyways, it kind of inspired me to maybe drag out some of my older ones and redo those old Saturday test and tunes. Maybe I'll do those again. So let me know. I will talk at you guys on another day. All right, bye-bye.